Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a quick little project that I created. It's a fast video. Just wanted to show you that I picked up the new Sizzix Tim Holtz die, the jack-o'-lantern one. They're currently on sale at Michael's for 40% off, so they're $11.99. And you guys, they're super cute. And you get these stamps. You get the dies, the pumpkins or the jack-o'-lanterns and the little faces, and you get an embossing folder, which I think is a pretty great deal for 12 bucks. So if you guys are interested, definitely go check that out. I don't know how long is the sale for, but it's definitely going on right now, and today's I think the 18th. Yeah, the 18th. So I picked this up and I decided to play with it, and I want to show you guys what I created. Now, the paper that I used is also from Michael's and it's also new at stores right now. It's the pumpkin spice paper pad, and this is just the basic solid colors, you guys. I like to pick these up because solids, you can never go wrong. So I used this paper to create my project, and let me show you guys what I did. So I made two cute little Halloween cards, and I was inspired by the picture of the die, so I wanted to create something similar. So I kind of like craft snatched the idea, and this is what I came up with. And you guys, I think they came out so cute. I used like the teal. I don't know if it looks black on camera, but it's like that teal, like a teal blue in the back. And then I used a solid beige, but I embossed it with the embossing folder. And then I did the little beige right here as well, but like more of a yellow beige. I stamped it. I'm not good at stamping at all, you guys. I'm learning, and I don't have the best ink, so I kind of struggled with that a little bit, but I still like the way they look and the way they turned out. The word came out a little darker over here than here, but I still think it worked, you guys, you know? I think it came out super cute. This ribbon right here in the back that I used is from Michael's as well, but from their Christmas section. And the inking that I did as far as the little Happy Halloween little page flags and the back of the embossing folder, I just used my Tim Holtz Distress ink in tea dye. And that's how they turned out, you guys. And the little eyes, I did use the die cuts, so they are kind of like puffed out, so it's not just a flat stamp. I did attach the little pieces with my glue gun. And then the little white outline, just not to make it look so flat, I used my jelly roll pen in white, and I think it made a huge difference, you guys. I think it looks so cute. So you do get 3 pumpkins, but I only made 2 cards, and this is the other little pumpkin that I didn't end up using. But if you guys can see, it's kind of like dimensional because I did use the little pieces. I paper pieced it together, and I added a little bit of white on the edges of the pumpkin. I'm still gonna play around with it some more, but I just wanted to show you guys what I made as soon as I got the die, because I was super excited to share. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about the cards down below. Let me know if you guys picked up this die, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.